Top 7 reasons why your car engine is running rich. Number 1. Oxygen sensor. A failing oxygen sensor is one of the most common reasons why an engine is running rich. Remove the oxygen sensor and inspect for black soot. If the oxygen sensor is coated in black soot, it will cause the oxygen sensor to become lazy, and as a result it will send improper data to the computer. At this point, it is time to replace it. Number 2. Massair flow sensor. A dirty massair flow sensor can trigger either a rich code or a lean code. Remove the massair flow sensor and check the hot wire. If the hot wire is coated in dirt, use a massair flow sensor cleaner and give it a good spray. Allow the sensor to dry for a few minutes before installation. Driver may note a hard start after cleaning the massair flow sensor. This is normal since the hot wire on the massair flow sensor may still be coated with the cleaner solution. Number 3. Stuck open fuel injector. A stuck open fuel injector will cause more fuel to enter the combustion chamber. As a result, this will cause poor gas mileage. Driver may notice black soot on the tip of exhaust. In addition, driver will notice white or gray smoke coming out of the exhaust. If raw fuel is constantly dumped into the exhaust, this can damage the catalytic converter and oxygen sensor. Number 4. Faulty coolant temperature sensor. When the coolant temperature sensor is faulty, it can send incorrect data to the computer. The computer may think the engine is running cold. As a result, the computer will spray more fuel than it should, and this will cause a rich condition. A faulty coolant temperature sensor can cause hard start and poor engine performance. Number 5. Faulty fuel pressure regulator. The purpose of the fuel pressure regulator is to regulate fuel pressure and make sure the fuel injectors are receiving adequate fuel pressure. Some of the common symptoms of a bad fuel pressure regulator are black smoke coming out of exhaust, hard start, poor engine performance, engine misfire, spark plug coated in black soot, and fuel in the vacuum line. Number 6. Faulty map sensor. When the map sensor is faulty, the computer may not be able to properly calculate engine load. As a result, the engine may run too rich or too lean. A bad map sensor will cause poor gas mileage, lack of power, rough idle, and hard start. Make sure to check the map sensor vacuum line and make sure it is not cracked. Number 7. Cloqqed air filter. A cloqqed air filter is usually the result of dirt and leaves buildup. Driver will notice poor gas mileage, engine working hard, or poor acceleration. Replacing the air filter should fix the issues. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.